This will be the elevator at an undisclosed location in Spring Township, Pennsylvania. This was originally a Westinghouse, but it was completely replaced in 2007. Going up to the 2, was completely replaced by none other than port elevator. This is a roped hydraulic. Go down to ground. Door closes when you push the button. Almost looks like it's the original cab, but it isn't. There are your fixtures, APCO Survivor Plus. It may not be easily to discern, but it is a roped hydraulic. There go the doors. There's the door. In the video background. Again, the certificate shows an installation date of 2007, but this building was built in 1972. I'm not going to show specifics of it because building name and location shall remain undisclosed. And somebody called it, so that's it.